change your country or region in Amazon WhatsApp. So if you find this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to this channel and as well as click on that bell icon on. So let's go to our Play Store and check if our Amazon app is updated. So mine is not the latest, but it has the features of changing the region and changing the language of my Amazon app. So if we search here on the Play Store, mine has updates. So if you have an older version, just
Never miss a
update
delivery
Amazon.
when you use
So
the
you can
Amazon app.
proceed
No more waiting at the
to
window or listening through the
tutorial.
door.
You can do it in your Amazon app.
You'll know
So mine also has this feature even though it is not the latest, because I just installed this one recently. So let's go to our Amazon app, open it, and then what you can do is so first you will be directed here in the home page, and what you can do is go to that three lines in the bottom right corner, and what you will do is go to settings and go to country and language. So this is very straightforward. When you see the options right here, you can see the country or region, and in here you can see there are a lot of options on which country do you want to change to, and as well as you can change the language here. So I hope this tutorial helps. Please comment and thank you for watching.